Hey guys, this is just my quick unboxing and review of the LINENSPA 8-inch hybrid spring mattress. So stay tuned and you'll see me open this up. Guys, I'm going to try to film this while I'm cutting this open. Which is probably not a solid idea, but ooh, it's trying to run away. Don't go anywhere. I'm trying to cut the plastic and not the mattress. I am literally barely pressing that. So don't think I'm going to cut into the mattress because I'm not. Okay, I just cut it open. Here, let me. Oh my god, this thing's kind of scary. It's like fighting itself. God, what just happened? Oh my god. Oh, sorry. I'm so glad I got that on video. Hysterical. Yeah, so that was like super difficult, as you can tell. And that's the spring side, and then that's the air mattress side. And let me lay it down. We'll see what we're working with here. Really pretty. It's gonna go over there on the bed. It's hung up on her dollhouse right now. There you go. Okay guys, so you can see how easy it is to take it out, and then you want to lay it out and let it, because you can see the top layer is really flat right now, and you just let it kind of set up over the course of, I think I let it sit for like 6 hours to fully get to its maximum height, because it was really super flat when it came out. You can see here it's getting thicker. So basically the bottom is a spring and then the top is a memory foam. This bed, which I actually just slept on, my daughter asked me to sleep in her new room with her last night, is insanely comfortable. I mean, I love my bed, which was like $1,000 memory foam, but this bed gives it a run for its money. The next time that I need a bed or anybody asks me, I will definitely be recommending this bed. It was literally like sleeping on a cloud. All right, that's it for this unboxing and quick review. If you enjoyed this video, consider clicking like and subscribe as I post videos like this every week. Thanks.